What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching another video, you guys. I know it's been a little while, just a little, y'all, just a little while, but I feel like y'all got used to me like kind of not uploading for a week or so, but I'm excited. This weekend is gonna be really exciting, y'all. This video is gonna be short, of course, but I just wanted y'all to be aware of what's happening this weekend. So I was like, let me hop on camera and do a short little video or whatever for you guys, especially because I hadn't done a video in like a week. I know I was supposed to close out the relationship advice series, but I haven't. But it's cool. It's cool. Y'all been watching, y'all been liking it, so it's cool. But outside of that, as y'all could tell by the title of this video, your girl is headed to go see Lebron James. And I'm so excited. I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait. I'm gonna vlog for you guys this whole entire weekend. Make sure I get some good footage for y'all. Get some up close and personal pictures for y'all. Okay? I can't wait. But of course, in this video, I wanted to just vlog me like packing and stuff. Me and my hubby. And I told y'all in the last vlog that I was gonna be traveling again around this time. I just didn't tell y'all where, and I'm still not telling y'all where until I get there. And when I get there, y'all will know, because I will vlog it and I will upload it for you guys. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited. This is the first time like in the past year, I would say, me and my hubby is traveling. So I'm excited. I'm not gonna say too much in this vlog. This vlog is mainly about me packing, y'all. Y'all can see like I'm a little bit indecisive on clothes. My hubby already picked out his outfit and stuff like that, so my duty all the time is to match him. But that's not ever really hard for me, because once he decides what he's wearing, it's not hard for me to put clothes together. But yeah, I'm going tomorrow morning, Friday morning, and I'm coming back Sunday night. So it's not a long trip, but it's gonna be an epic high quality trip. And like I said, I just wanted to get me vlogging and let y'all, I just wanted to vlog me packing and stuff like that. He already packed. I helped him pack. I helped him pick out his outfit, y'all. I'm his little stylist, and ever since I've been dressing him, he gets so much more compliments and stuff like that. But anyways, y'all, I'm struggling to decide on what to wear. Y'all probably will see in my photos and stuff like that what I end up wearing. But one day he's wearing black and white. Another day he's wearing what is he wearing? Oh, blue and white, and I think black. And then another day he's wearing like this orangish shirt and orangish shirt and I think blue, I don't know, something like that. But for the orangish shirt, I'm not really gonna attempt to match him because I don't really have anything orange. But now that I'm remembering and I'm thinking about it, I do have this dress. Y'all probably can't see it good, but it's a little bit orangish, but I don't know if I'm gonna end up wearing it, y'all. When I'm packing, like lately or whatever, I tend to pack dresses more because I feel like it's easier to pack them in comparison to packing like pants, like top and bottom outfit. But anyways, I have, let me show y'all right here. Is it just me? Do y'all travel? Let me see. Do y'all travel with these little thingy things here? Look, I travel with them. I put like my makeup and stuff in there. I got a little makeup bag. I feel like y'all probably can't see me too good because of the lighting, but let me show y'all. I have this little travel thing. If y'all ever want to bring like lotion or liquid things, they sell these at Walmart where you guys can use them to put lotion and stuff in it. There's another one that I put like edge controller gel in, this little thing right here. Y'all could get them from Walmart for like $1 or $2, but yeah, that the black and white stripe thing that I showed y'all, that's the stuff like I'll be packing my makeup, the stuff for my contact lenses or whatever. And I got some shoes, but I can't really decide on what shoes, which is per usual. So I got these heels, these ones, and these ones. By far, these are my favorites so far. Well, latest and favorite, but yeah, I'm not sure. Then I got little flip-flops and whatever, but anyways, y'all get it. Y'all will see me in next part of the vlog. I'm about to end this right here and complete my packing and stuff like that. Yeah, I just wanted to update y'all that your girl is traveling. And y'all can expect vlogs this weekend for sure. Okay, so I'm excited. Y'all could definitely, like I said, expect the vlogs. But here's what's been happening to me. Whenever I travel, I ain't even gonna lie, by the time the weekend is through, like, I have so much fun and I do so much that I hardly get time to edit and upload it in time. I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking, you know what? I'm gonna drop this video today for sure. But with the vlogs, I'm not sure when I'm gonna drop them, because I always say I'm gonna drop it the same weekend. But finding time to edit and stuff like that while trying to like enjoy the city, enjoy wherever I go is challenging. So I just want y'all to know, stay tuned for vlog footages. And yeah, I'm it to go meet Uncle James. Uncle LeBron James. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog where I inspire your desire to be great.